Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. So getting started with project 2, once we start working in Illustrator, we're going to go to File and then hit New. And then we're going to change this to, we're going to name it something. For now, I'm just going to name it P2 Poster. And then here are different profiles. So let's go for print because in this class even though we're not printing, I think it's good to stick with the printing conventions just because other classes might want you to print, or we might print stuff in Spring for some classes. So let's just stick with print, and then our size letter, we can go to tabloid, change the units to inches, and make that 11 by 17. It's already automatically changed to 11 by 17 because tabloid is a standard for 11 by 17 size. And likewise, you could go in and change these manually. So if you don't see 11 by 17, you can just type it in, but make sure your units are in inches. Bleed, we're not going to worry about bleed because we're not printing in this class. But if we were to use bleeds, or if you use bleeds in the future, bleeds basically give you an extra little bit of leeway. So when you're printing stuff out, you have more color that goes outside of the bounded artwork. So when you're cutting things, you don't lose the color. But yeah, since we're not printing, I don't want to get too into that, but that's the basics. It just gives you like a little bit of leeway when you're cutting stuff out. So I'm just going to make sure that's 0. And then color mode, there's 2 of them, CMYK and RGB. CMYK is for printed material, and RGB is just for artwork that's going to only exist on a screen. And you'll notice like there are, if you design an RGB, the color is going to be a lot brighter. Like this blue back here is super bright, and then CMYK is going to be a lot dull because you're printing with inks. So just because this is like conventional for this class and this course, let's stick with CMYK. And then all of this raster effects, high, you want like a good pixels per inches, and then hit OK. And that's how you kind of get a document. That's how you get a document started, at least for this project.